So over here you can see that I have a video right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to export out a particular frame of this video. So let's say I'm going to go right around over here just like this, and let's say I want to export out this particular frame only as an image. So in that case, once you bring in the timeline cursor over here, you can see that over here in the viewer area, you can see that export frame is an option. There's this little button right here. Once you go around and click over here, you can go around and select out the folder where you want to go around and export out the frame. So I'm just going to go around onto my desktop and select out the folder. So once I do that, there's the file name that is there. As you can see, it'll be saved as this. And if it has already been saved, you can ask it to overwrite as well. But I don't have any saved, so I'm going to leave it as it is. So after that, over here, you can see the format that you want to save the file in. So there's PNG, JPG, TIFF, TZA, and BMP, as you can see. I'm going to save this out as a JPG file because it has more detailed contents, and JPG is the best for that. So you can go around over here, and then you can see that you can re-import to the timeline as well. So that means you can bring in that particular frame to the timeline once you export it as well. So I'm going to keep that as it is, and I'm going to press OK. And over here it says it'll be watermarked as this is a free plan. So let's just continue with the watermark right here. So once you do that, over here you can see that this is what you have right here. This is the frame right here, as you can see, and it has been extracted right here, and this is what you have right here. If you have the pro version, then you don't have this watermark over here. So that is how you can go around and export out frame inside of HitFilm from different video clips that you have right here. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.